In India today, there are 35 million children in need of care and protection.
The background of the children are very, very sad stories. Each child is unique, precious. Then each child has her own history. The history is very painful. It's not a mere survival. It's a battle for life and death.
The big issue is that vulnerable youth don't have equal access to quality education or the same opportunity for decent work. And that's the work we're focused on here in India with the Western Union Foundation. We're in India to work with a non-profit called Make a Difference. They're a Woo Gives winner who, with support from the Western Union Foundation, is helping over 3,500 shelter home youths to get a quality education and decent work opportunities across India.
In a regular shelter home, not more than 15 to 20% of the children will ever go to college. But in Make a Difference, last 3 years, we've been able to consistently ensure that 80% of our children are going to college and progress in college. And we fund their entire college cost.
Hi, my name is Leelavati. You can call me as Leela.
Leela ended up in a shelter home because of extreme poverty. Her father was in jail and her mother couldn't afford bringing up a daughter. That's where we met her. As volunteers when we went to the shelter home that she was there.
Make a Difference support me in such a way. They take me to college. They will always with me. And if I find any subjects too difficult, they will teach me.
Sangeeta's parents are refugees from Sri Lanka who've lived in a refugee camp here in India. Due to extreme poverty, Sangeeta was brought up in a shelter home.
My ambition is to be a software engineer. If I get education, I can work in companies, so I'll get good futures. I want to settle down in Bangalore. I want to give better life to my parents. I want to be an independent girl.
When I was small, I thought I want to become a lawyer so that I can help my father. He always tells me, you should not worry, you should support your mother. If you study well and you will get into job, that's the thing will make me happy, nothing else. He's such a good person. Education is important in our life, nothing else. Only if we study well, we can gain anything.
My parents are very proud of me. I'm studying Master of Computer Application in university.
Now I'm studying law. So my college name is Bangalore Institution of Legal Studies. It's hard, but we can do it.
The children in orphanage need more support, so I want to support them, like Make a Difference supporting me. I want to support them in financially. I want to be a role model.
In my life, I have suffered a lot. At the same time, I have learned so many lessons. So that lessons I want to teach the girls who are like me. I want to give my example to them and make them stronger.